This is a longer video. It's very in flow, in the moment. It has serendipity and miracles and high vibrating, and it even has like a story arc. So hide yourself away from everybody, shut off the phone notifications, and sit a spell and watch my short little movie I've put together for you. Love and light. I am out here jogging extremely slowly, and if you know anything about me, you know that I am healing joint issues, and running is my goal. Not gonna go that far, but I'm gonna give my body a new set point of healthiness and healing and happiness and expansion and growth. I am abundant. I am rich. I do not control. I have flow. I just saw a chipmunk run across in front of me. I just got done running. I don't know how far yet, maybe like half a mile. Which is like amazeballs for me. I was in the right mindset, the right attitude. Oh, there's a deer. Look at, he came for me. Where's he at? Do you see him? Look at, he's coming. I can't see where the camera's going. The deer came out. Look, he came out for me. He came out for me. Oh, and there's deers coming threes. I see the other two. Oh, there's four. Oh my gosh. I am so blessed. I am so blessed. I am so blessed. I am so blessed. I am so thankful. I am so grateful. I love my life. I love my body. These are happy tears in case you haven't figured that out. And there's one more little baby. Oh, I heard another one. There's the two over here. There's a medium one and a baby. Maybe it's mama. He's about 40, 50 feet away from me. I am just like, I love Mother Earth. I love being in nature. She is risen. So, when I started walking, I was actually going to say something. Dragonfly. was going to say that there comes a point in your healing journey when you just have to say, fuck this. And you just have to go out there and try. Oh, there's this hill over here. It's really cool. See that cool line? Yeah, so I love Mother Nature, so I get easily distracted. I'm like ADD in nature, like, which is really good because I'm being super aware. When I'm not in nature, I'm not ADD. And I'm not saying that I have ADD. I'm saying like, shiny penny, shiny penny, shiny, shiny, shiny. So that's why I get easily distracted here. Okay, so back to what I was going to say. There's this point when you just have to stop giving in to fear and just go ahead and do it. And in the past, when I jogged, it would hurt my joints. And I really feel like I've done an amazing job healing my joints over the past couple of years. And so today I got to the point where it was like, I need to try to start running. So this is the third time I've quote unquote jogged this year. Oh, it's not a quote. I jogged. I just jogged really slow. And you just have to have the belief my body is healed. It's on a healing journey, and I have done so good for it that running is not going to hurt me. Running is going to help strengthen me. It's going to help me become more me. See that river? Usually it doesn't flow this quick. It's not that windy out either. So, this root system. Building the beliefs, building the blocks, spider web weaving, an intertwined system of roots, building a strong foundation with belief and trust and faith that as I do the work, everything amazing is going to come. So I have to explain the deer thing. There was a time in my life when I would rarely see deers. And I know that stems from my belief that I wouldn't see them and that I wasn't being aware. But my husband is a nature man, and he calls to him all the animals. One night, about 5 years ago, he called a raccoon to the bedroom window, and the raccoon was knocking on the window for him. So, being amongst his energy, he's taught me how to find the animals, and me just seeing those deers wasn't just awareness of seeing the animals, that was calling them to me, because this park's not small. Granted, there's a good number of deer in here, but the fact that they were in this big park system and they crossed my path at the exact moment that I got done running a loop, having faith and belief in myself and my body, my strength, and my healing ability, I stop jogging, start walking, turn on the video to talk to you, and all these deer show up. Like, you just, like, all the light and all the love and all the manifestation and all the work. It's like the universe is here and it's helping me and it's on my side because I'm doing the work on myself.